What's up, people on YouTube? Hope you guys are having a great day today. So this is what I do every week. I try to make at least a couple videos a week going over the trades that I do for the day and how I traded them, going over my mistakes, my gains and losses here and there. And ATOS here, I was looking at for the day, actually made two good moves here, but the first move would have been pretty tricky to get in on. We have to just gobble this up and get out real quick. There's no really telling you when to get out. There's just strong volume coming on to the sell side here, and go into that a little bit in depth real quick of what I was just noticing. And real quick, if this is your first time viewing the channel though, you can subscribe to the channel if you want to follow me, seeing how I trade these stocks, going through my mistakes, and just really just documenting, what I'm seeing and what I'm going through. No way, shape, or form telling you buy this stock or sell this stock, or this is how to trade. But this is just, how I like looking at the stocks and how I trade. Alright, so ATOS here, a stock under $3 here. Opened up in the morning around $3 a share here. Now it's just getting hammered down. Left alone. Seemed like the sellers had complete control of this. The only good thing about it was it bounced off support here. Let's look at the pre-market. This is what I like to do. Look at the pre-market support areas. Got one right here, one right here. This happened very quickly. It bobbled around here for about around 269 area. Bobbled around there for a good minute. If you wanted to try it out, get a buy in there. Just didn't like this big amount of selling pressure. Look at this volume here. 600, almost more than halfway to 1 million shares there on the volume to the downside. So this was just a quick in and out, 7% gain. Pretty much, computer trading right there. Or if you really know what you're doing, buying that support, just quickly selling at a good percentage gain. But here was the play. This is what I like seeing here. Seeing some concrete evidence here. Here's some support here. Potential support, right? It got pushed up 230, around that 230 area. You get here, we're at 230 here. Had to move this over to the side a little bit so you guys could see the price levels over here. My mistake about that. But yes, we're at 230 here. RSI's been moving a little crazy, but it lets you know when to get at. If you're looking at this level of support, get in there. I got in there at 236, got in high. That wasn't, really putting all the pieces together in my head. Should have been just looking to buy in at that support level. 229 would have been a perfect buy here. The low was 228. So really just got to pay attention to that support level, looking at how RSI is reacting to it, and jump in here with some confidence and get in at a better price. 236, it was the right candle, but not the right price. I could have got a better price there, at least 233. But it did alright here. Ended up maxing out, missed out on selling around 250, but ended up selling at 247. So good there, good play there, nice gain there. Just get in, get out with as much as it was. Just get in and get out with as much as the stock would give me. Let's look at where I messed up today. Big no-nos today. Let's clear this out. Got some. Let's mark out the areas of potential support here, just so we know what we are looking at. You can see this one, this area right here. Just looking at the pre-market over here, can't really tell. I know this seems kind of crazy just to be looking at lines here and trying to figure out areas of support, but the price does bounce off. People are looking at these areas of support here, and they are looking to make moves on them. You can see here that it didn't quite come down. A couple cents short. Seemed like they bought it up early, because you know what? It's not an easy game. Sometimes you got to go in there, take a chance. You can see the RSI went below the min line, curled out. It wasn't a much gain there. It was a little decent. You had to get in on a good price though. A little decent bump there. A little bit here. We got a bottom going on here, but not too much gain again. Seems like just sellers having their fun with it. I'll show you where I messed up at. I was identifying this area of support here, around this area, and I know I should have just waited a little bit longer, but went ahead and decided to make a try because it was holding up here a little bit, even though the candle's red, and I got in here on this green candle here, 425. It bobbled around. I didn't like it. Sold here, and I decided to try it again because it didn't really slam down. But what's really going on is, right, stock had had some good volume to the downside here. Red, had some green here, but just mostly red, and I get in on the little bit of green here. It's going down and consolidating. Consolidating is when price is bouncing up and down through a range before it drops again or goes up again. In this case, it dropped again, consolidated. This is all consolidation, drops again. So just got to realize who's in control, what's going on, and take my time. Really just rushing into this trade here and just not doing it right. Got in and out 2 times here. Got in, boom, got out, got in again, and it slapped me, let me know that, hey, you are thinking wrong. So just be a little bit more careful there, and I will end up green for the day if I have a little bit more patience. Today only down 20 bucks, but you know, every dollar counts, so got to focus up and journal my trades there. Oh, look at SPY there. Look at SPY. Nice little, not little, but nice old rocket roo. Just keeps going here, huh? Let's look at gold. Let's take a look at gold. Gold is holding up here. It's doing alright, not doing as strong as SPY. That is really crazy. That is just really crazy there. But hey, hope someone's having fun with that on the option side, and y'all keep on with this volatility. You know, I'm loving it. I'm loving the volatility. But alright, you guys, that is it for me. You know how I do, just looking at low cap stocks. Hit that like button for me. Hit that like button for me if you would, if you like these videos. And yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what stocks you've been looking at. Alright, you guys, see you tomorrow. Peace.